welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make animated SVGs for websites. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to create animated SVGs, you can simply go to Figma, Adobe Illustrator, or Inkscape to design your SVG. So once you've selected the website or app that you want to use, you can simply get logged into the account and design the SVG. So here you can simply layer naming and export your SVG. You can simply export the design, ensure the IDs and other relevant attributes, and animate the SVG. So you need to then use several methods of animating SVGs like CSS animation, JavaScript libraries, SVG animation tools. And once you have used any of these, you can simply integrate it with your website. You can embed the SVG, link the CSS or JS, and trigger your animation. So by doing this, you can make animated SVGs on your website. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.